Hello everyone, this is Crystal, and today I am sharing an unboxing of the new kit from Feed Your Craft. This is the What a Year kit. I also have the Seek Joy stamp set to share with you, so I'm just going to dive right in and show you what's here. So first of all, let's take a look at the Seek Joy stamp set, and if you have not seen the email from, or I guess it wasn't an email, it was it was on the blog, maybe? I'm not sure. It was somewhere that Elise pointed out that the stamps are no longer going to be in the plastic sleeves. They're going to come in glossine bags to help reduce plastic, which I absolutely love. So I'm just holding it up to my receipt here to show you what it looks like. It has great sayings on it. These would be, all of these are perfectly sized, like to fit at the top of a journal card. They'd all be great as kind of like a title for a journal card, or even like little embellishments that you could fussy cut out. Lots of really great sayings here, lots of really great stuff. So I'm excited to play with that one. Then let's take a look at the What a Year kit. So there are cards and a stamp set and embellishments. I'm going to start with the cards. I'm sorry, this is very crinkly. Okay, so there are both 3x4 and 4x6 cards. Let's take a look at the 4x6 cards. So this is kind of like an a end of year themed like summary of 2020 and then looking into 2021 kind of kit. So that's what the theme really is. What a year. It makes sense, right? So this one says 2021. I have a nice graphic pattern. Cheers to the new year. Just a plain like notebook paper print. A floral that says looking forward, and then this really pretty pink on pink or kind of red on pink pattern as well. Okay, next up, the 3x4 card. So there's this one. It says it wasn't all bad, but it wasn't that good. I think that is a pretty good summary of 2020 for most of us. And there's highs and lows, so those would be really fun to use side by side. There's this great rainbow card. A best of 2020 card, this kind of splotchy graphic grid pattern. Nope, nope, nope. I think I need about 20 of those. This kind of wavy stripe, a wonky grid, future hopes, dreams, goals, plans. My Instagram top 9 of 2020, that's really cool. And then a countdown one, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this one would be really great for New Year's Eve, obviously. Okay, so those are the cards. Let's look at the die cuts. Pull all of these out of here. I think I'm going to have to just kind of dump them out here. So there are little phrases or little words. There are some black and white florals. There are labels with that same kind of notebook paper print. A little phrase. This was the best. New beginnings. Much needed good news. And made the most of it. And cheers. Today's update. The best and the worst. And then 2021, we're ready for you. And then another little label as well. And then finally, there is the stamp set. Again, I'm going to grab my receipt to kind of show you. So you can see lots of images and phrases that kind of help tell the end of the year story. I love this one that's just like a bunch of swears. I think that that's going to be very helpful for documenting the rest of this year. And then some just little phrases and Happy New Year and highlights and highs and lows and hello today, and then years 21, 22, and 23. So you can use this for the next 3 years, really, which is great. Yeah, so that is the stamp set that goes along with this kit. I will have this kit or the shop linked down below. That is an affiliate link. If you purchase from it, of course, I do get a small commission from that sale. So thank you so much for watching. I will have a video using this kit in my Project Life album coming shortly, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you back here soon.